Hi guys, so learn from yesterday's mistake, and today was an amazing trade. Followed my confirmations all along my trade, and was able to secure 45 ticks. Um, Basically, as you may notice if you checked out my last video, we had USD basically trending for 4 days in the kind of same uh, you know same way basically. So this enables us to see that we are going to have at a moment initiative activity. We could or have initiative buying and start retracing higher, or actually have initiating setting. So as you may know have noticed concerning the macro news and events, the Asian session and European session were pretty bearish. We had basically a spike in COVID cases, shutdowns of major economies. We had also complete. We officially knew that a stimulus bill wasn't gonna pass. So if you look at at this particular market, and let's say ES, which is the S&P 500, we can see that we traded lower today. If we look at Nasdaq, also we were trading lower, and basically the only thing that was bullish was basically the USD. The USD was trading higher. So if we come back to our trade, just put it back right here. So confirmation for me was that we had a bearish TPO count. We had an outside of value POC compared to the last day, and basically I knew that I was going to get in a sell. The only question was where, when, and how much. So I saw this consolidation here, this little pennant being formed basically, which you can actually use this cool tool right here. It's called triangle, and you can basically shape up cool little triangles. This is a classic pattern, basically, and I decided to enter this. So I entered this right here, and my TP was pretty intense, must say. I saw, like, I was sure basically that that we were gonna reach this point right here. The reason why is that USD, and it's always important, you always need to correlate yourself with USD basically when you're trading gold. So basically USD was basically retesting right here, this level. Let me actually take this out so you guys can understand. And we retested right here. Right here we retested, and then we came back higher. So I knew that at this level here, what we were gonna have is or a breakout, or we're gonna go and retest in this level. So for me, it was or we go and retest right here, or we retest right here, and trade higher. So at that moment, when I saw USD really pushing up and doing a fake out right here, I automatically said to myself, wow, I need to enter this trade. As you can see, I was, my entry was pretty good. I had a short position, which was around these 78s right here. And I had an SL of a bit higher than POC, just around 30 ticks. So, basically that was it. So I entered, and I knew I could maybe get a better price later on if we retrace around this level. As you can see, we traded lower at first, got in right here. And when I got in right here, you can see that USD managed to close higher, so wick out basically, and basically start this uptrend in its position. And as you can see, when USD went up, gold went down, and we traded lower. So at that moment, I was like, okay, this is good. We're ranging, and the important move was right here. What happened is that USD, I don't know why it doesn't show, but yeah, exactly. The POC, okay, came from this level right here to this level right here, which is very important. It shows to me that we're even more bearish than we were, and you know, that we accept lower prices. Buyers and sellers accept lower prices. So for me, I needed really to see USD. I noticed on my ladder that USD needed to close below the 78, the 75. Gold needed to close below 75 to trend lower. I got this here, and then at this point here, we were right here, and I saw this big, you know, candle right here, in the second big candle right here. And I said to myself, wow, it's not going to come and retest, you know, this high and make new highs. So I got out 45 ticks in profit, which is very, very good. 45 ticks is around this level right here. Got out, and that was my trade. Let me know if, and as you can see, I'm happy I got out. Yes, I could have secured more ticks. It's always difficult to do that, but I'm happy that I got out with that choice decision, because look at USD. Where do we come back? We came back, and I would have been, you know, broke even, or even maybe stopped out, as you can see right here. So this is my trade for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments.